How do you go from this to this, or to this, or let's even kick it up a notch with something cool and custom to this with a custom photo of your favorite pet photo, whatever the case might be going on. Let me show you how to do this in your 5th gen Honda CRV as a 2017 to 2022 with this style of a touchscreen. Let's go. All right, so here we are on the touchscreen. Pretty much you have to find an empty spot on the screen, pretty much anywhere that's not a button, okay? So you can do it right here. You go to the second page. You just simply click and hold the touchscreen. This option will come right up. Hit change wallpaper, select wallpaper, and then here's the other color options that you can change if you like the default look, okay? So select what you want by select wallpaper, and bang, it changes right there, okay? Now you can see it. Now, repeat the process. Press and hold, change wallpaper, live wallpaper. You got some options right in there by default. Let's do this one. It'll give you a nice little preview. To select it, hit select wallpaper. There it is. Now, the next step is going to be very important because if you want a custom photo on there, you need a flash drive. Download your photo onto a flash drive, okay? Then you have to plug it into the USB. It can't be just any USB. Not like this one with the Apple CarPlay. It has to be this one right over here for data transferring, okay? So plug it into that USB. Come back over here, press and hold, change wallpaper, gallery, select the device, select the photo you want. From here, you can see what you want, or you can change the size as you see fit too as well. All right. Now, once you get it the way you want, up on the top right-hand corner, see the OK button? Hit OK. And there it is. So now you got your photo and the background that you want. How cool is that? So any 5th gen CRV, EX and above will allow you to customize that.